Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got a special review lined up for you. Here with me is the 2025 BMW R1250 RT, BMW's latest masterpiece in the world of touring motorcycles. BMW has been setting high standards with the RT lineup for years, and with the 2025 model, they've raised the bar even higher. If you're looking for a tourer that offers power, comfort, tech, and safety all in one package, this might just be your dream bike. Let's dive in. Let's start with the design because let's face it, the R1250 RT is a bike you notice. BMW's signature styling is evident here, but with some fresh updates that make it more streamlined and ready for the road. Right from the front fairing to the rear tail, every inch of this bike has been optimized. BMW has managed to create a machine that looks bold yet refined, ideal for a bike that's all about blending luxury with adventure. One of the standout design features is the full LED headlight setup with an adaptive feature. The headlight swivels to improve visibility around corners, a game changer for night riding and twisty roads. And check out the electronically adjustable windshield. One touch of a button and you can raise or lower it to find the perfect height. The windshield offers exceptional wind protection, reducing fatigue on long rides. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 R1250 RT is powered by BMW's 1254cc ShiftCam Boxer engine. This engine is truly the heart and soul of the bike. It delivers 136 horsepower and 105 lb-ft of torque, more than enough power for smooth cruising and spirited riding. But the magic here lies in BMW's ShiftCam technology. ShiftCam technology means variable valve timing, which adjusts the intake valve timing and lift depending on your throttle input. The result? You get a smoother, more linear power delivery, improved fuel efficiency, and a bike that feels equally at home in city traffic or open highways. BMW also packed this bike with some serious safety tech. The ABS Pro is specially tuned to provide extra braking stability, especially around corners. That means if you're ever in an emergency braking situation on a bend, the bike helps you stay upright and in control. And then there's dynamic traction control. This system constantly monitors wheel speed, throttle input, and lean angle to help prevent the rear wheel from losing traction. It's a huge confidence booster, especially in unpredictable weather. 2025 BMW R1250 RT is the total package. You've got an engine that's powerful yet refined, suspension that makes long rides a dream, cutting-edge technology, and a ton of safety features to keep you protected. BMW has truly crafted a touring bike that caters to every kind of rider, whether you're looking for performance, comfort, or connectivity. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're thinking about a new tourer or just love high-end motorcycles, the 2025 R1250 RT deserves a spot on your list. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a full ride review, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the journey.